Hi everyone, this is Brad. Have you ever wanted to include audio in a Google form? Well, with the use of Mote, you can. We go ahead and select Add to Chrome. Of course, forms aren't the only way you could use this. You could use it in docs and so on, and slides. We're going to add extension. And you will need to go through the process, especially the first time, stating that you are 18 or older. Acknowledge, sign in with Google, and then you will need to go ahead through and select that you want them to have access to certain services. Select continue. And then, if you'd like, you could check out their 1-minute templates. What I'm going to do, though, is I'm going to come over to a form that I made previously. Now, I am going to refresh this because you will now see, we're going to select, got it. You'll now see Mote right in here. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to record for what is 12 times 3. What is 12 times 3? Okay, so I hit the check, and it comes right in here. Now, what I'm going to do here, though, is I'm going to record here, but it's not going to show up here, and I'll show you how you can grab your audio. 24. So I'm going to click on the check. Now, you notice it's not there. It is in your extension. So if you come up here and you pin, you'll now see Mote. So if we come here, go into recent Motes, you can click right here or select it. 24. Okay, so you know that's the one you definitely want. What we're going to do now is we're going to go ahead, go into the share icon, copy the link, and now you can come right down in here and paste it. I'm going to do one more for 36. 36. Click on the check. Come back up to Mote again. Recent. I know that's the one I want. Copy the link and paste it in. Now, to make sure that it works, you can preview it. And what I'm going to do, just to show you this one right here, is click on it. 24. So there you go. That's how you can use Mote on a Google form. If you have any questions, please let me know. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye-bye.